fight.
These guys coached season 9 of The Ultimate Fighter, and they started to get on each other's nerves.
You can't do that, Dan. And we now have a routine. Let's stick to the routine.
It wasn't my way.
Well, what do you want me to do? Bend over and take it up the
One of the things that Michael Bisping likes to do, he likes to talk a lot of trash.
England won, USA none. Put that in your pipe and smoke it.
I definitely started to get to him as the show progressed.
Bisping just was just a little bitch. When things don't go his way, he just throws a hissy fit. I've got little kids, and I see the same thing out of them.
That's why I was trying to push his buttons, trying to get him to snap a little bit. I thrive off that.
I'll have my chance to shut his mouth with my fist.
If I go out there and fight the way I know I can fight, it's a walk in the park.
Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the